Alright guys, so today I'm going to be showing you how to make my protein smoothie. It is freaking delicious and of course, as always, nutritious. Alright, first step is add the Planet Oat unsweetened vanilla almond milk. Alright, next I like to add my banana, and be careful because if it splashes, it might get in your face, but it's a pretty tasty taste. Next, we're gonna add our all-natural creamy peanut butter. Oh, it's so yummy and gooey. Next, we're gonna add our raw unfiltered honey. Then we're gonna add Flavor God buttery cinnamon roll for some extra flavor. Oh, let's not forget our favorite part, protein from BodyTech Whey Isolate. Now for some serious benefits, we're gonna start with apples, some mixed berries, and dark cherries, which are great for workout recovery. I always drink this right after my workouts. Now we're gonna put the blender top on it, then put it onto the blender and spin it. All right, I'm gonna place the to-go cap on top and then pop, throw it into the fridge, and I'm done. And if you want your smoothies to last even longer, throw it in the freezer. You can do 7 at a time. Literally, you can buy as many of those as you like. As always, guys, thank you for watching my recipe video. It means the world to me. Make sure to like, comment, share, save, and give me a follow because I got more recipes coming as always. And lastly, the cookbook is coming, so get ready for that. And let me tell you something, it's coming everywhere.